Welcome to the 9th Sorok Short Film Festival Awards Night, a celebration of passion, creativity, and advocacy through the art of storytelling.
We, Sorok Uni Foundation, shall continue to carry out this vision. We shall carry out the Great Commission and commandment of God. Love God and love your neighbor with you, our partners and supporters in many areas in the Philippines.
That's why we sincerely commend Sorok Foundation for this project initiative and the film producers and production teams in responding with short films to raise public awareness that OSAEC is a crime. Let's rise up and unite towards isang nasyon, isang aksyon, tapusin ang OSEC ngayon, stop OSAEC in the Philippines.
Sapagkat lahat ng ating susunod na henerasyon ay makikinabang ng malaki kung mabibigyan na natin sila ngayon ng boses at ngayon ay masusugpunan natin ang OSAEC sa Pilipinas.
This will not end your filmmaking career, and I hope you will continue supporting not only the Sorok Short Film Festival but other film festivals which advocate change. Thank you very much.
May this festival inspire us all to be more vigilant, more empathetic, and more committed to ensuring that no child suffers in silence.
Sana yung mga fellow filmmakers natin or mga manonood din, in our own little way, always subukan po natin maging boses ng mga tao hindi kayang mapagtanggol yung kanilang mga sarili.
Papasalamat po kami sa Sorok Film Festival. Konti lang ang may platform or mga institusyon na nagpo-produce ng advocacy film.
Tuloy tayong magiging boses ng mamamayang Pilipino and patuloy pa rin sa paglikha ng mga istorya at ng mga film. Padayon ang sugilanon.
Filmmakers, you are not alone. Thank you very much. Salamat po. Kamsahamnida.
Stop OSAEC PH.
Stop OSAEC PH.
Stop OSAEC PH.
Stop OSAEC PH.
Stop OSAEC PH.